Challenger installation. Got the standard base. Got it going to a bunch of cables, RG58, standard wire in the ground. 1, 2, 3, about six of those spread around the 270 degrees underneath the grass. I've got the wire underneath the rocks over there, and then going into a panel right there, and then under some conduit into my radio room. So for some reason this thing just went to complete pot on me. I haven't changed anything as far as the configuration goes out here. Those antennas have always been there. The ground array has been there. Worked great one day, brought the antenna back up about a week or two later, and it was just terrible performance on pretty much every band but 80 and 20. So I'm confused.